I'm Phil Basford. I'm Head of Solution Engineering at InaWisdom. Redshift delivery service status helps to recognize partners that have run multiple production workloads for various different clients. And we were selected due to some of the excellent work we've done for some of our clients, where we built out enterprise level data lakes and lake house solutions that allow them to query and perform their analytics at scale. And part of that is also handling multiple sources of ingestion, both on-prem, real-time, message queues, etc., and then delivering them to visualization or AI ML use cases so that they can get value from their data. Yeah, so over the last 12 months, the data enterprise landscape is dramatically changed, and Redshift has been kind of the core service behind that. I'd say before the event last year, Redshift needed some more standout features. There was lots of routine updates, but we needed big new standout features. And in the last 12 months, there's been some very cool ones that help. There's the externalized tables, materialized views. There's things like geospatial features being added. There's the new instance types that allow you to separate compute away from storage in the RA. And it's had lots of great new features that can support its wider use. I suppose beforehand, people were generally thinking it as just a data warehouse. Now it can pull more data and have more features. It's more of a fundamental data analytics platform that you can use for multiple different uses within your business. The trends around the last 12 months have been very much linked actually to the pandemic, I would say. There's been lots of people wanting to understand their core business better, understand their supply chain, understand all aspects of their operational business so that they can operate more efficiently and more accurately and more responsively in this crazy time period we are. And Redshift giving you that analytics capability and being able to query a vast amount of different data sets and different data sources now gives you that ability as a business to be able to understand and get those insights from your data that makes you make those key decisions today to make sure that you are responding to the changing world we're currently in. Yeah, we're using Redshift across a lot of exciting use cases. To name just three, we're doing a geospatial database kind of analytics and training data set for a very complicated machine learning model that predicts from somebody's address that long in a polygon on the map. Another good use case we're using is want to understand WhatsApp messages. One of our customers has lots of CMS interchange between themselves and their customers, and they're using lots of WhatsApp messages for that. So we're providing analytics using Redshift and then bringing it up, visualizing it into QuickSight so they can get intelligence and insights from that data. And lastly, another kind of key one we're also seeing is kind of the industrial kind of industry kind of people also using data lakes. There's been a kind of a big boom in kind of IoT based ingestion from chemical works and machine manufacturing and all those kind of things. So we're seeing a lot of growth in that area, and people are actually trying to, it's kind of outside of your kind of traditional enterprise, and it's kind of pulling in data from those sources and providing an even more enriched data about exactly how your machine or your pipeline or your delivery capability is working. The reason why customers should use Redshift is because it's putting data at the heart of their business, and Redshift allows you to, with other tooling, ingest data from a vast array of sources, able to perform queries and insights across these vast data sets, and gives you that intelligence back to your business. And also being accepted onto the Redshift service delivery program means that InaWisdom has experience on making that production grade, making sure that we follow the best practice, that it is well architected, so that it becomes a critical bit to your business to give you that information that you need to respond to the day's challenges.